Welcome to the Last Werewolf of Blanken. This is a place to sharpen your story-making skills. You'll find notes left around that are characters talking to you, giving you hints to the story. And also it tells you about parts of story, gives you ideas on how to improve your writing based on the hero's journey from Joseph Campbell. Welcome, and you can visit anytime.
And this is set up so that it's available at all times. You can do it all, go through the whole thing by yourself. It's for solo, or I think you will enjoy it more if you can get a couple of other writers to come along with you. The note card that you would have to start with is available when you click on the note. Click on the screen that we're standing by that tells the name of the place.
This is in a 3D virtual world. You can make an avatar for free and come to this region for free and get the writer's education. It's a story, a mystery, and you get the chance to solve it.
Yes, and here's where the story starts, right in front of me, right here in this note card. The note card will tell you the beginning of the story, and then from there, well, the note card will give you some hint as to where to go next to look for things, but you have to. This is definitely an interactive story. It is not one that will tell you everything you might want to know. You're going to have to figure out some things. Should we walk back over toward the house?
Oh, I'm a little scared to go over here because we have a visitor.
Oh, yes, we do have a visitor. Oh, well, this is a werewolf story, and now this is a harmless werewolf story because he's here from the past. There is no werewolf here now. But there was at some time in the past, and the story will tell you about that.
Not here. Now. It's dangerous. Those claws are.
Oh, he looks very dangerous. And well, of course, you expect a werewolf to be dangerous, don't you?
Yes, I do expect a werewolf to be dangerous. And if I get bitten by one, well, I might find myself joining them.
I believe if you get bitten by a werewolf, you will turn into a werewolf when the full moon rises. Of course, that
will I be a red-headed werewolf?
Would you be a what?
Will I be a red-headed werewolf?
Well, I don't know. Well, you're a red-headed lady. So I suppose you would be. And sure enough, we find more note cards here up on the porch. Another note card from Father D. That's Father Dark. And those note cards, by the way, are there's floating text above them, and they're very clearly available, visible. And when you click on them, you'll get a note card showing what was in it. There's also other note cards on the other side. Another note card on the other side in a different color that actually has been supplied by Talia, and that note card will tell you more about another character that has been introduced. Nate, do you have any comments?
No.
No. Okay. So. This takes us to the beginning of the story. Is there anything else we should tell our viewers before we close? We're not going to go through the whole story now. We may go through a bit more of it later, but after all, the story is here to be told, and along with the video, we will have information as to how to get here to this location. You will have to be in OpenSim hypergrid to get to this location. But that information will be well, it's a bit more technical, so we won't tell you that. We'll just give it to you in typing, a text. Talia, got any more comments?
Yes, it's all free, and you're going to find some surprises. We've added a lot more than what you just see here, and I hope you'll enjoy solving the mystery and learning the writing hints.
And also, for you writers out there, you may want to think about this is another way to produce interactive, three-dimensional writing. And thank you all for watching, and we'll close for now, but we'll be back.
See ya.